I hope you had an awesome weekend and are getting ready for an even better week. So I'm Coach Skip. I have your Burn at Home workout for Monday, and we got all kinds of great stuff going on here at Wildfire this week. One of the things we're talking about is progress and making progress and strides and setting goals. And so if you need help setting goals and making a game plan and getting things ready and on track, that's what we're here to help you do and help hold you accountable and have a lot of fun doing it. So without any further ado, we got the warm-up today. We're going to be doing 3 rounds of 20 side-to-side jumps, 10 plank arm raises, 10 alternating crunches, and 10 plank leg raises. So starting with that side-to-side jump, you're just going to stay on those toes and be jumping back and forth, side to side. And back and forth is going to count as 1 rep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you get the point. Now, if you need to add a little spice to that jump, really get those knees up and get hopping back and forth. And so you're getting a little bit more explosive energy. You're getting that heart rate up and getting a sweat going. If you need to bring it down a little bit and reduce the impact, then just do a step back and forth, but just go as fast as you can. Even if it's a little bit slower than I'm doing now. Again, the best range of motion, the best speed is what you've got right now. You keep going at it today, tomorrow it'll get a little bit better and a little bit faster. And that's the whole goal, is to improve and make progress. So after those 20 side-to-side jumps, we're going to get into 10 plank arm raises. So you're going to be in that plank position, torso straight, and just lift your left arm and then your right arm. And just alternate back and forth. Right plus left equals 1 on these. So once you've done both arms 10 times, then you'll move on to the crunches. If you need to go off your knees on these, that's fine. Same thing. Just work on keeping that torso as straight as possible, or use that platform. The higher the platform, the less the resistance. And just do the same thing. As long as you've still got a little lean here, that's what we're looking for. Next, we've got the alternating crunches. So knees up, hands behind the head, and you're just gonna bring your right elbow to your left knee, left elbow to the right knee. And just alternate back and forth here, really working the obliques and the sides of those abs. If you need to do the same thing from more of a standing position, then just bring the same way. Bring your right elbow to your left knee, left elbow to your right knee, or do it sitting where you're doing the same thing. And you're just alternating back and forth here. Finally, we're going to do 10 plank leg raises. So either from the forearms or from the hands here, and you are just going to raise those legs. Same thing. From the knees, you can do the same thing, or from the platform, the same thing here. So just get those legs up. You're working the core and the legs and the glutes in those. So 3 rounds, 20 side-to-side jumps, 10 plank arm raises, 10 alternating crunches, and then 10 plank leg raises. For the workout today, we've got a 3-minute AMRAP, and you are going to repeat it 6 times. The difference with this one is we're going to be doing an alternating AMRAP. So every other round, you're changing exercises. So round 1, you're going to alternate 1, 3, and 5. You're going to be alternating. You're going to be doing 15 air squats and 15 sit-ups, just as many reps as possible in 3 minutes. 15 air squats, 15 sit-ups. Then in rounds 2, 4, and 6, you're going to be doing lunges and push-ups, 10 lunges and 10 push-ups. So you'll just alternate, keep track of the score, keep track of how many reps you're getting in each round. Each round, you are going to start over at the beginning. So rounds 1, 3, and 5 are sit-ups and air squats and sit-ups, 15 of each. Rounds 2, 4, and 6 are lunges and push-ups, doing 10 of each. So starting with those air squats, get those feet about shoulder width apart, push those hips back and down, keep that chest up as you go, find that speed, and work on speed on these. It's 3 minutes of work, and then you know you're getting 1 minute of rest. And so get all the way down and all the way up, just best range of motion possible every time. You can do this sitting down too, where you're sitting and standing up. Just make sure you have a depth where you're still getting down there, or holding on to something, a door jamb, something solid, where you're doing the same thing. And this is just going to limit your resistance in the bottom a little bit. After the air squats, you're going to be doing sit-ups. So on the sit-ups, legs straight out in front of you, go ahead all the way back and throw those arms forward as you're getting up. And again, find a speed here and really throw those arms forward and drive back. And that way you're getting that good speed with these sit-ups. If you need to hold on to an object, this is just a 3-pound dumbbell, and I'm going behind my head and throwing it forward. And it's just going to give me some momentum to help me get up to the top in that sit-up. And you could also, if you need to, do this from a seated position where you're bringing your knees into your chest every time. So for the, again, rounds 1, 3, and 5, you're going to be doing 15 air squats and 15 sit-ups, as many rounds as possible in 3 minutes. In rounds 2, 4, and 6, you're going to be doing 10 lunges and 10 push-ups. On that lunge, start standing tall, get that deep lunge, get that back knee on the ground, and drive away. And just alternating each time. Again, right plus left equals 1, so you will do 10 on each leg. If you're not quite getting all the way down, or you need to hold on to something to help you get back up, that's fine. Just get the best range of motion possible, or use a step where you are stepping up and back and switching every time. This is 12 inches, but something 8 to 10 inches high will work just fine and is going to work the same muscles as that lunge. In the push-ups, you're on your hands, hands right underneath the shoulders, all the way down, all the way up. Again, get that full range of motion. Same thing from the knees. Just on the knees, start flat and drive away, or use the platform to decrease the resistance and make it a little bit easier, especially if you need to get that range of motion in there. So 3-minute AMRAP, alternating that AMRAP between 15 air squats and 15 sit-ups, and 10 lunges and 10 push-ups. So get as many rounds as possible in each 3-minute period. Go as hard and as fast as you can. Take a 1-minute rest in between each 3-minute period, and start at the beginning every single time. So even if you get 3 rounds plus 10 air squats, when you start round number 3, you're still going to start over again at 0 on those air squats. So have fun with this one, guys. It is a little bit different from ones we've done in the past. I know you can do it. Go as hard as you can. Go as fast as you can. Really take today and make it the best day possible. And tomorrow, it'll get even better. So thanks a lot, guys. Have fun with this one. Coach Skip signing off. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.